back to Four Wheel Drive Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and on this trip we are exploring how far can we make it towards Bowman Lake. We started our journey today in town of Washington, which is right down there behind me, and we're climbing the mountain on the gravel road. We'll see how far we can make it and how much snow is up this way, because I know a lot of people want to know if they can make it Memorial Day to Bowman Lake. We're here to find out how much snow is up that way. Stay tuned. It's the beginning of May and we got another snowstorm rolling in. This year winter does not want to go away. This is how much snow we're getting at 5,000 feet. Lots of new fresh powder on top of old icy snow. Yep, we're gonna be going from snow wheeling straight to summer. 100-degree weather and lots of snow runoff. We'll see how many waterfalls we'll find today. I think it's time to turn on 4 low because we just hit the old icy snow. We'll see how far we can make it in 2-wheel drive. But there's still plenty of snow at 5,000 feet. All right, the rain outside is starting to switch into snow. So this 5,000 feet, and we have not even got to the main road that leads to Bowman. We're still on the Gaston Road, and we're still gonna be on here for next about 3 or 4 miles. So I'm not sure if we can even make it to the Bowman Meadow Lake Road. We'll see if we can make it past Graniteville or not. This little obstacle, and Tanya's already trying to flip her Jeep going over. I mean, all she can do is just drive back. It's no big deal. But the Mr. Winchman behind her really wants to use his Badlands. He can't live without it. Yep, it's a nasty snow. Rubicon's trying to jump over the washout section as well because it keeps pulling to the side. Well, let me move forward so we have more room for them to get around. Well, with snow being this nasty, we got my Jeep deflated down to about 6 psi or so, and we'll see how far we can make it down these ruts. Because there was a couple of vehicles that just came towards us a while back when we were on the dirt road, and they were towing another vehicle out, so something broke on down. So we'll see how far we can make it, but I can hear a creek coming down over there, but can't really see the waterfall behind the trees. So hopefully we'll just see how far we can make it on this road, because snow is still tons of it. It's crazy. All that snow runoff, we're getting beautiful sights like this waterfall in the creek just gushing down. Some nice sights to see during this kind of weather. a ton of snow up here still. 5,000, and look at the road. There's at least 3 to 4 feet of compact snow we're riding on top. So snow ain't gonna melt anytime soon, guys. Same thing goes for Rubicon or any other trail above 6,000 feet. This year it's gonna come very late to us. So snow's gonna be melting till June, in some places till July. We're going for rescue number 1 on the Wrangler. His mile stars are not doing too well in the snow. And this snow is terrible, I'll give him that, but still. My BF Goodriches and Tanya's Maxis are doing just fine, but he got stuck already. Let's see, how bad is it? All right, got my Factor 55 out. We'll hook him up. He wants to deflate down to 5 psi. We'll see how easy it will be to pump him out, because he's not really buried, but he spun his tires a few times and got stuck. But I was able to turn around right here in this spot. One bump and we got him out, so hopefully he'll be doing just fine past this point. But Milestars first generation, they're not great in the snow. They're great rock and sand tire, but snow not so much. 2 miles away from Graniteville Road, that's our turn towards Bowman. We'll see if we'll make it there, because so far the snow's been getting thicker and thicker. So hopefully we can make it there and see how far we can make it. Maybe it would be nice to get it to the overlook of Bowman, if anything, because I know on that southern side there's going to be a lot of underwashes and a lot of water running down. So that snow probably going to be very sketchy to drive on. But if we'll make it there, that'll be awesome. All the snow's not gonna melt anytime soon, guys. This is craziness. We're at 5,400 feet and there's about 4 feet of snow. And this snow is not just fluffy, it's a completely compacted snow and super wet. On the trail, there's a group coming down from the Graniteville Road. They have a somewhat broken truck with them. A brake line broke, so they turned the whole group around and they're coming back down. And they're actually fans of the channel. They're watching our adventures just like you guys. So nice to meet you guys. Thanks for recognizing me right away. Hopefully you guys made it home just fine. Let me give you some stickers, hold on.
Hey, I love your videos.
Thank you.
Don't try to jump any snow canyons. Hey, we were making good. You guys will do all right.
Oh, yay, thank you so much.
Thanks.
All right, have fun, be safe.
All righty. All right, the people has passed us and we used the moment while we were waiting for them to get by us to have a quick snack, and we're gonna keep trying to go down this road. We'll see if we can make it to Graniteville Road. They said you can, because they've been trying to plow this way for the whole winter. So they keep coming here and they kept trying to keep the road accessible as much as possible. So we'll see how far we can make it, and then if anything we'll just go through Graniteville back out to Nevada City. So let's hit the road. Let's see how the Rubicon will do through the little washout section, and he went the wrong way. He went definitely the wrong way. Ah, he's about to fall through. Look at that snow. Илюха, ровно, ровно руля. И назад, назад, ровно. Туда, еще туда, туда. Лучше туда наклонись, чем сюда уйти. И теперь тебе надо забраться как можно выше на вот тот бугор.
Тот?
Да, потому что здесь вот яма.
А сюда яма тоже?
Там не водяная яма, тут водяная яма. Yeah, this snow is nasty. Yeah, look what kind of hole over there is. Look at this underwash right here. Yep. All right, we're into the treacherous territories where there's creeks running on the road and plenty of underwashes underneath, so we have to pay attention. Where are we going? Yeah, look at that snow berm. That's 4 feet high. That's just crazy.
Hey, I did it though. Look. Don't get stuck here now, girl. Let's go.
All right, we're gonna yank the Wrangler out of the hole. So let's put the rope off to the side. So I gotta back up a little more and give him a good hit. And there we go. Just a little punch and he got out in about 2 hits. So we'll keep going. Look at these snow berms. Alright, this is the road that goes over to Graniteville, and looks like not a lot of traffic went that way. And this is going to Bowman. So we'll go over towards Bowman. We'll see. We might have to take the same road back, the one we just came, which is Gaston Road. We'll see how far we can make it because it's still snowing. Let's see if we can even see Bowman. Well, it looks like the plowed tracks end here. this is as far as that group that turned around got today, so we'll see if I can punch any of this. The snow is nasty, and as you can see, it's snowing. So let's see, because we still got about 2 miles till you can see the valley of the Bowman Lake. Let's try to punch it.
Yankee new track.
Well, there is some sort of track.
There is track,
Seems
but
like
we're,
that's
yeah, but nobody's been here in a while, like some time.
since it's snowing.
Just a tree.
So
Okay, why is it stuck?
I don't think we'll make it far.
Yeah, I don't think so either, but we'll see.
All right. Looks like crew chief couldn't make it too far punching the snow. Snow is soft and nasty. I like how far I sunk. So I guess I gotta hook up winch and winch myself back, because there's no way pulling me forward. Because if I keep going, it's gonna tip over. Alright, let's get Tanya's winch out and get me back straight. Pull forward or just back again? Look at this snow! That's May 6th for you. Get all the way back. Got the crew chief turned around. Now we're gonna get the Rubicon turned around. Tanya got it already turned around because this is a nasty snow. And for some reason my rear locker's not working. I'm not sure if I have a snapped axle or not. That possibly is the case. I don't remember when I used it last and knew it was working, so we'll see. I had some weird sounds when I punched it, so we'll see. Maybe I did break something. All right, with current snow conditions and trail being so difficult to drive on, we decided to turn around right here and start going back towards Washington because we're not gonna get far. It's 3 o'clock and there's just a ton of nasty snow. So if you wanted to know what it looks like to get to Bowman Lake in beginning of May 2023, this is what it looks like. We can't even get close to Bowman Lake. So I think mid-June is going to be when it's going to be accessible all the way to the lake, because for next few weeks, if it's going to be hot, the snow going to be melting, but it's going to have these nasty ruts and berms everywhere, and we're still at like 5,700 feet. So, and the top is 6,000, and then it goes down to Bowman Lake. So you wanted to know what it looks like? Here you go. So we're gonna turn everybody around and keep getting out of here. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.